Hello everyone. In this video, we will cover exercise 8.4. In this exercise, we will perform conversions. Question number 1. Express as rupees using decimals. Here, the values are given to you in paisa and we have to convert it into rupees. What is the relation between rupees and paisa? 1 rupees means 100 paisa, or 1 paisa means 1 upon 100 rupees. As there are two zeros in the denominator, so in decimal form we will write it as 0.01 rupees. Point is coming after two digits from right. We will use this relation to solve the sums. 1 paisa means 0.01 rupees. So 5 paisa means, as per this formula, 0.05 rupees. Next is 75 paisa. Again, as per the formula, we are supposed to put a point after two digits from right. Whatever value is given to you in paisa, just put a point after two digits from right and you will get the answer in rupees. As there is a relation of 100, it means we are supposed to put a point after two digits from right. Next is 50 rupees 90 paisa. First, you can write it as 50 rupees plus 90 paisa. Now, the first one is already in rupees. To convert the second one into rupees, just put a point after two digits from right as per the formula. Now, the first one is not having any decimal part, but the second one is having two digits in the decimal part. To make them like, in the first one, we will add two zeros in the decimal part and the second number as it is. Now you can add these two decimal number as they are like now. While adding, we will add whole to whole and decimal to decimal. Now, decimal part first, 0 and 90 will give you 90. 50 and 0 will give you 50. So answer will be 50.90 rupees. Next is 725 paisa. As per the relation, we are supposed to put a point after two digits from right. So your answer will be 7.25 rupees. Next. Question number 2. You have to express as meter. And the values are given to you in centimeter. The relation of meter and centimeter is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter means 1 upon 100 meter. Again, as there are two zeros in the denominator, so in the decimal form, we will put a point after two digits from right. Numerator has 1, so the answer will be 0.01 meter. Now, 1 centimeter means 0.01 meter. So 15 centimeter. Again, after two digits from right, we are supposed to put a point to convert centimeter into meter. As per the formula, we will have 0.15 meter. Next is 6 centimeter. Again, by formula, put a point after two digits from right. But there is only one digit. To make it 2, we will add zeros to the left. adding zeros to the left of whole number will not make any change. Okay. Now this one, it's 2 meter 45 centimeter. We can write it as 2 meter and 45 centimeter, which means a plus sign. First one is already in meter, but to convert the second one, we will use the formula. As per formula, we will put a point after 2 digits from right, and now the value is in meter. But they are not like, because here we can see that the first one is not having any decimal part, whereas the second one is having 2 digits in the decimal part. Now to make them like, we will put 2 zeros in the decimal part of the first number, and the second number will come as it is. Now we can add whole to whole and decimal part to decimal part. Starting from right, first decimal to decimal, we will give 0 plus 45 will give you 45. 2 plus 0 will give you 2. Final will be 2.45 meter. Again, it's 9 meter 7 centimeter, which you can write as 9 meter plus 7 centimeter. First value is already in meter. To convert the second one, we will put a point after 2 digits from right. But there is only 1 digit. To make it 2, we will put 0 to the left of the given number. And as per the formula, the conversion will be 0.07 meter. Again, the first number has only the whole number part, whereas the second one has a decimal part with 2 digits in it. To make them like, we will add 2 zeros in the decimal part of the first number. And the second number, we will write it as it is. Again, we will add whole to whole, decimal to decimal. Start from right, add them, you will get the answer as 9.07 meter. Next is 419 centimeter. Again, as per formula, we will put a point after 2 digits from right, and you will get the answer as 4.19 meter. I already explained to you why we are putting a point after 2 digits from right while converting from centimeter to meter. Next, express as centimeter using decimals. The values are given to you in millimeter. The conversion is 1 centimeter means 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter means 1 upon 10 centimeter. There is only 1 zero in the denominator. So we will put a point after 1 digit from right. The value in the numerator is 1, so the answer is 0.1 centimeter. So to convert millimeter into centimeter, we will put a point after 1 digit from right. 5 millimeter. Put a point after 1 digit from right. As per formula, we will have 0.5 centimeter. 60 millimeter. Again, 1 mm means 0.1 centimeter. So 60 mm means 6.0 centimeter. Yes, point is after one digit from right. Again, by formula, point after one digit from right. Next, it's 9 centimeter 8 millimeter. So we will write it as 9 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Yes, it's 9 centimeter. Convert the second part into centimeter. We will have by formula 0.8 centimeter. Make a change in the first one as there is one digit in the decimal part in the second number. So we will put a 0 in the first number. Now both the numbers are like. Both are having one digit in the decimal part. Add whole to whole, decimal to decimal. Start from right. You will get the answer as 9.8 centimeter. Next, express as kilometer using decimals. The values are in meter. We have to convert it into kilometer. Relation is 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So 1 meter means 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Now there are 3 zeros in the denominator. So we will put a point after 3 digits from right. But there is only one digit in the numerator. To make it 3, we will put 0 to the left. And the answer will be 0.001 kilometer. Now 8 meter. As per formula, we will put a point after 3 digits from right. But there is only one digit. So to make it 3, we will put zeros to the left of the given number. And the answer will be 0.008 kilometer. Next is 88 meter. There are 2 digits, but we have to put a point after 3 digits from right as per formula. So you will write it as 0.088 kilometer. Next, it's 70 kilometer 5 meter. Split it as 70 kilometer plus 5 meter. First value as it is already in kilometer. And the second value, only one digit is there. We will add 2 zeros to it to the left to make it 3. Put a point, get the answer as 0.005 kilometer. They are not like. There is only 2 digits in the whole number part. No decimal part is here. And here there are 3 digits in the decimal part. To make them like, you will add 3 digits in the decimal part of the first number as 0.000. And the second number will come as it is. Again, adding whole to whole, decimal to decimal, start from right. We will get the answer as 70.005 kilometer by the formula. Make sure to put a point after 3 digits from right. While converting meter into kilometer. Next is express as kg. using decimals. Values are given to you in gram. So the relation is 1 kg means 1000 gram, or 1 gram means 1 upon 1000 kg. Now there are 3 zeros in the denominator. So we will put a point after 3 digits from right. In decimal, you will write it as 0.001. Now it's given 2 gram. As per formula, we will put a point after 3 digits from right. But here, only one digit is present. To make it 3, we will add 2 zeros to the left. 100 gram. Put a point after 3 digits from right as per formula, and you will get the answer as 0.100 kg. Five kg, 8 gram. You can write it as 5 kg plus 8 gram. First value is already in kg. We are supposed to convert the second by using the formula. 5 kg will come as it is. By formula, put a point after 3 digits from right. Make it 3 digit by adding 2 zeros to the left. Now, first one only whole number part, second one decimal part with 3 digits. Put a point in the first one and put 3 zeros at the end. Now they both are like, add whole to whole, decimal to decimal, start from right, you will get the answer as 5.008 kg. Next, it's 26 kg, 50 gram. Again, we can write it as 26 kg plus 50 gram. First one is already in kg. To convert the second one, we will use the formula and put a point after 3 digits from right. Here, 2 digits are given to you. To make it 3, you will put 0 to the left. And this will be your answer in kg. Now the first number has whole number part, but the second one has decimal part too, with 3 digits in it. To make them like, we will put 3 zeros in the decimal part of the first number and the second number as it is. Now both are like, we can add them by adding whole to whole and decimal part to decimal part. Start from right, you will get the answer as 26.050 kg. I hope all the conversions, all the sums are clear to you. Thank you everyone. God bless you all.